Hey, hope you're having an awesome day. So you want to draw this ice cream character. It was actually two ice cream characters sitting on top of each other. Well, in this video I'll show you step by step how to draw it. Super easy, super fun character. It's also a character from our book, Ice Cream for Ice Cream. So if you're interested in colouring in ice cream characters like this, check out the book. I'll put a link in the description below. But otherwise, let's get started. Okay, so we've got our paper here and we're going to start drawing our cute little ice cream character. And we're going to start drawing from the top down to the bottom. So up the top here, we've got the second scoop of ice cream, and he's got like chocolate sauce, maybe caramel sauce, dripping over the top of his head. So we're going to draw that part first. So along the top of the page here, we're going to draw this wavy sort of line. This is the sauce kind of dripping and gooing over his head. Kind of like that. And then along the top here, we'll draw a semicircle here to join those two gaps together. Just like that. Now, since there's a scoop on the top here, we're going to draw the sides a little bit, but I'm not going to draw it all the way around because these two balls of ice cream sitting on top, so the middle part is going to be a little bit squished out. So we're going to draw just a curve here, small one like that, and a similar one on the other side. Now in the middle part here, we're going to draw some curves, and this is where the two scoops of ice cream sink together, and it's kind of squashes out a little bit. You can draw as many as you like. You can keep it as random as you like, makes it look good. I've just done 4 here. Okay, so that's the top scoop of ice cream. And, well, actually, while we're doing that, let's draw the face on there as well. I'm just going to keep it a nice, simple face. So draw a big circle there for his eye. And another one there as well. And I'm going to have him looking down at his little friend. He's sitting on top of his friend. So we'll put his pupils down the bottom there. Just like that. I don't want to colour them in black, but you can colour them in any other colour that you like. And I'll leave a little circle there, white, and it looks like it's got some light reflecting on his eyes. And then we're just going to draw a little mouth here, just like that. It makes him look so cute. Alright, let's draw his little friend that he's sitting on top. So on each side here, we're going to draw 2 curves similar to this, but maybe a little bit bigger. And one on here, and then just along this part here we're going to draw some curves just like this, because at this part here that's where he's sitting on top of the ice cream cone. So again, you can keep it nice and random shapes. I've done 4, but you can do more or less, it's up to you. Alright, and this character here, I think let's give him a big smile, a big open mouth smile. So we'll draw a little curve here like this, and then almost draw like a big U, like that. And just have a little curve in there to show his tongue, or her tongue. And I think this one here we'll draw it with his eyes closed, like that. Just 2 upside down U's. Alright, and let's draw the ice cream cone that they're sitting on top of. So we're going to draw, this is not a pointy cone, this is the one with the flat bottom. You can stand it up on a table without it falling over. So we're going to draw a bit of an edge here, so we're going to draw 2 lines on the side, and then a nice curved shape here, joining them together. This is the edge part of the ice cream cone. And underneath that, we're pretty much going to draw pretty much a square, but it's slightly wide at the top, and there's a very slight curve on it. Gives it a nice shape. And it kind of rounds at the bottom there, like that. Okay, so when you colour that in later, you can add some lines in there to show the texture of the waffle cone there. Alright, so that's the outline of our character, and the next part is to colour in. Okay, and we've finished colouring in. So all I've done is I've made my two favourite ice cream flavours, vanilla and strawberry, and he's got a chocolate coating on top there as well. And I've just made the outlines a little thicker, given some highlights on the ice cream and the sauce, it just makes it stand out. And on the ice cream cone here, just with a darker marker, I've just added some lines here so it looks like that crisscross pattern that you normally have on a waffle cone. Well, thanks for following along. I hope you had lots of fun drawing this cute ice cream character. Now, this ice cream character is from our colouring in book, Ice Cream for Ice Cream. So if you like ice cream, or like drawing ice cream, or colouring in ice cream, or anything to do with ice cream, check out this book. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.